In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove your applied jobs from LinkedIn. Whether you applied by mistake or changed your mind, here's the easiest way to manage it. Let's get started. First, go to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Then, navigate to the top menu and click the Jobs section. Next, click My Jobs. You'll find this at the left sidebar or top of the screen depending on your layout. After that, find the job you want to delete and click the three dots beside it. Now click Discard Application. A pop-up will ask for confirmation. Just confirm to permanently remove the job from your applied list. Bonus tip: if you're job hunting actively, use the Save Jobs feature to track positions you're still considering. This keeps your applied list cleaner and more focused. And that's how to delete applied jobs on LinkedIn. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and useful tutorials. See you next time!